Hey guys, welcome to another level 1 MCAT prep viewer question. So if you do have any questions, check out the description. There's an email or Instagram. Take a screenshot of the question like this and send it to me. And when I get some time, I will get to your question. Anyway, so what we have is this particular question, which is a proof question. We've been given two constraints, which is if n cubed minus p is equal to m and n squared over m is equal to p. We're going to show that n equals that. Yeah, all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take down the n squared over m first equals to p, and I'm going to cross multiply the m with p. So I'm going to rewrite this as n squared is equal to p multiplied by m. So once I have n squared is equal to p times m, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this equation, which is n cubed minus p equals to m. And I'm going to split the n cubed into n multiplied by n squared minus p equals to m. And the reason I want to do that is because then I could actually get rid of the n squared and just have n by itself. Because remember, in the final proof, I want to have n by itself. So that's why I want to try and get rid of that n squared. So because n squared is equal to pm, what I could do is I could rewrite this as n multiplied by pm minus p equals to m. And from here, my next step would be is to get rid of the minus p. So moving the minus p to the opposite side will make it plus p. Then I can get rid of the pm, because then what I'll have is m plus b, p, and the whole thing is divided by pm. Because remember, pm is in brackets and it's getting multiplied by n, therefore it can be separated. So from here, I need to separate the fraction. So I'm going to get n is equal to m over pm plus p over pm. And I can see that I've got common factors that I can get rid of. The two m's disappeared and the two p's disappear. And what I'm going to get is n is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over m. And that's basically it for this particular question. So the key thing is, like, whenever you start with these questions and you've got things like n cubed and you've got n squared and you're trying to get n, you've got to figure out how to get this n squared into here somewhere so that you will end up with just n. Okay, that's basically it for this video, guys. As always, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to keep up with the latest content and also to know when the next tutorials are on. There should be some playlists popping up, some great revision material there for your MCAT. Check them out, and as always, thank you for watching.